a hostel for students from Daman. And every evening they would get together on the veranda and sing and play the guitar, and these are the songs they would sing. Oh, Maria Pitache, oh 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 Maria Pitache. Oh yeah! The government tells us that they scrap this plan, don't believe them fully, okay? Just a trick to gain time, because there are too many thousands of crores involved there in the coffins. So they're going to try all kinds of tricks, although they pretend to scrap the plan on one side, they're going to try to get in on the other side. We must not relax. One of the ways for us not to relax is to make our voices heard together. Not only in fight and protest, but also in song. Everybody together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh, everybody! I want to hear everybody with hands in the air now. One more time. Only you now. Pitache. Oh, last time. Oh, Maria Pitache. Oh, Maria Pitache. Oh, Maria Pitache. Maria Pitache. Thank you very much. I want to hear a big hand for everybody who sang along.